doesn't want glowing skin that can shine brighter than the sun during golden hour? I sure do. Achieving luminous skin can seem like a task, but I've got just the cheat sheet for you with all the right steps and ingredients you need to achieve that radiant lit from within glow. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you how I keep my skin clear and glowing along with active ingredients that can work wonders for your skin. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first step to clear, glowing skin is cleansing. Our skin undergoes a lot of trauma every single day with overexposure to the sun, pollution, dust, grime, oils, bacteria and other impurities that strip the skin of moisture and hydration. It is therefore necessary to cleanse the face once in the morning and once before hitting the sheets. While picking a cleanser, I always consider my skin type and concern. And since I have acne-prone skin, I look out for ingredients that will calm my pimple and banish it for good, like this one. This is the St. Ives Tea Tree Pimple Clear Face Wash. Take a coin-sized amount and gently massage it on the skin. The main active ingredient in this cleanser is 100% natural tea tree extract, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties that are efficient at killing acne-causing bacteria while making room for new and clear skin. Plus, this refreshing gel face wash doesn't irritate the skin, nor does it cause dryness or other problems, making it super gentle for sensitive skin too. To reveal the healthy glowing skin underneath, I like to exfoliate the skin 1 to 2 times a week. By exfoliating the skin, you are removing the buildup of dead skin cells and any lingering dirt that can cause breakouts on the surface of the skin. This process makes way for newer, healthier skin cells and reveals a smooth skin layer with a beautiful radiance, which is a good enough reason to do it often, right? For my acne-prone skin, I look out for a scrub that has skin actives which will clear my pores and keep it clean to avoid further breakouts. So I recently started using this product that contains zinc as an ingredient in my routine. This is the simple daily skin detox clear pore facial scrub. Just wet the face, take a coin-sized amount on your palm and apply it all over the face and neck. Make sure to use gentle circular motions. Let's be honest, zinc isn't the first thing that comes to our mind when we think about beautiful skin. But zinc is known to lower sebum production and it also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it has the ability to prevent pore clogging, which is a common concern among those with blemish-prone skin and a reason for frequent breakouts. The third step is to use a toner. Now we all know cleansing and exfoliating helps to get rid of all the surface impurities that may be clogging the skin. But did you know that toner acts like a catalyst to ensure that the skincare products applied next penetrate the skin and deliver results better? That's not all. It also helps reset the pH balance of the skin. Personally, I like to use witch hazel as an ingredient in my toner, and the one that I swear by is the Lakme Absolute Pore Fix Toner. Just take some on a cotton pad and swipe it across your face. This 100% alcohol-free toner with witch hazel contains compounds called tannins that have both antioxidant and astringent properties to fight acne. Not just that, witch hazel heals wounds, controls excess oil, treats pimples and prevents rashes, thereby revealing a clear and glowing skin. Next, I'm going to apply a serum. Serum is an amazing skincare product that works like magic on all skin types, whether you have dry, sensitive, oily or combination skin. They are super concentrated and filled with active ingredients that are designed for specific skin concerns. So you shouldn't skip adding it to your daily skincare routine. To keep my skin clear and glowing, this is the serum that I like to use. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Plus Face Serum with 100% real kakadu plum extract. Just take 3 to 4 drops, apply it all over the face and gently pat it into the skin. Now let's talk about the main active ingredient in this serum, which is vitamin C. You probably already know how great it is for boosting immunity, but it's a superhero when it comes to skin too. It is rich in antioxidants. That simply means that it will protect skin cells from free radical damage caused by UV exposure. It will lighten hyperpigmentation, fade away brown spots, even out the skin tone, and add a whole lot of radiance. Time to moisturize the skin. This step is important to lock in the previously applied products as it acts as an occlusive barrier. If you have oily skin, use a light lotion-based moisturizer. If your skin is dry, use a heavy cream-based moisturizer to prevent your skin from feeling irritated. To keep my skin clear and glowing, I like to use the simple Kind to Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This moisturizer contains soothing, moisturizing and hydrating ingredients, and one of which is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an emollient, meaning it moisturizes and is also effective as an antioxidant that protects against damage from external elements like pollution. This nutrient improves the overall appearance and elasticity of your skin, making it more supple and youthful. Plus, this moisturizer has no skin baddies like parabens, harsh chemicals and artificial color, making it super safe for sensitive skin. And it's ideal to use for all skin types. Nothing says self-care quite like putting aside time every day to apply a face mask. They feel indulgent, leave your complexion looking and feeling good, relieve all the stress, and give you that glowing skin too. My go-to sheet mask that helps me get that dewy glow is this one. It's the Pond's Vitamin Duo Hydrating Sheet Mask with Vitamin B3 Natural Coconut Water. Just pop them out of the packet and put it on for 20 minutes. The main active ingredient in this sheet mask is vitamin B3 in its niacinamide form that helps the skin restore its moisture content, improve skin texture and uneven skin tone, and fades away hyperpigmentation, revealing a clear and glowing skin. So guys, this is how I keep my skin clear and glowing. Make sure to pick products that cater to your skin concerns with right active ingredients in order to see visible results. Before you go, don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.